Intro to fractions. So, we have the fraction 5/6, and the numerator is the 5, and the denominator is the 6. The fraction bar, though, indicates division. You're not technically 5 divided by 6 at this point because you would need a decimal, and we'll get to that probably another day when you're converting them. But right now, know that 9 over 9 is one whole, right? If you have 9 slices of pie and someone ate the whole pie, there would be none left, but you had one whole pie. 11 over 1 means 11 divided by 1, and that would be 11. And then 0 divided by 6 is 0. 0 divided by 6 is 0. Very important to note these two items right here. 6 divided by 0 is undefined. You cannot divide by 0. You can do 0 divided by 6, but you cannot do any value divided by 0. It is undefined. Get that? Undefined. Underline it, make it in big words, highlight it, whatever you got to do. Understand that rule immediately. Alrighty, moving on. Next item up for bid. Proper and improper fractions and mixed numbers. A proper fraction is when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. I'm not going to write that. You're going to write that on your paper. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it's a proper fraction. So that means improper means is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. That's an improper fraction. When this number is larger than this number, then it's improper fraction. And what you can do is you can convert this to a mixed number. And it would be 2 1/4, and that's called a mixed number. You're going to learn how to add and divide and subtract and multiply all of this next lesson, okay? But today's lesson, we're going to learn about the basics of fractions so you get a better understanding. So, to write a mixed number as an improper fraction, you're going to start at the bottom with the denominator and multiply it with a whole number on the outside. And then you're going to add the numerator to the top. That will become your new numerator. So 4 times 9 is 36, and 36 plus 2 is 38. And that would be your improper fraction. Same thing to do for each of these. 11 times 1 is 11, and 11 plus 8. So if I did 11 times 1, right, is 11, and 11 plus 8 is 19. Those are the steps you would take, right? 11 times 1 plus 8. Start at the bottom, work your way clockwise. So, start at the bottom. 10 times 9 is 90. And 90 plus 3 is 93. I was giving you a little bit of time to answer it, but since you're not in the classroom with me, I'll pause, right? 7 times 2 is 14. And 14 plus 5 is 19. And then the denominator stays the same, right? The denominator, didn't finish that one. The denominator stays the same. Don't change the denominator. Keep the denominator. The only thing that changes is the numerators. So 1911, 38 9s, 93 10, 19 7, okay? Next item. Now we're going to take improper fractions and make them as mixed numbers. You're dividing is what you're doing. You're doing 5 divided by 3. How many 3's go into 5? 1. Right? What's 3 times 1? 3. And then subtract it. And what do you get? A 2. That becomes your new numerator. 2. Over what? 3. Is it right? Sure. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Sure. Check it. That's okay to do. How many 7's go into 30? 4. How do I know that? Because 4 times 7 is 28, right? Then I'm going to subtract it from the numerator. 30 minus 28, and I get 2. And I'm going to do 2 7s. Okay, questions? This is where I would ask questions. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, you're not understanding something, always email me or text me, or you can personal message me on what? What are we on? Facebook. I'm on Facebook. Abe Millville Class. I'm on there. You can look for that, or you can look for Sonia Saul, and you can personally message me if you need to. But texting or emailing is probably the easiest. So, and then for the last one, 84 divided by 6. Well, I kind of cheated on this one because I saw the answer, right? But if I did 84 divided by 6 in the calculator, it's going to give me 14. Boom. That's it. That's it. That's the final answer. 6 goes into 84 nicely, neatly, and in a package of 14. And that would be it for the basic fraction lesson. So let me know if you have any questions about this, and hopefully you can contact me, or I'll see you in class, however you're doing it. So thank you and have a great day. Thanks.